Okay, so this is a blast from the past, kind of. This is the Uniden PRO401HH bare bones 40-channel handheld CB with the HYS 51-inch telescopic 27 megahertz antenna. It's got a BNC connector. This is the antenna that I've been using with the scanners for low band reception, so we're going to completely extend the antenna. There it is in all of its 51-inch glory. So I just want to say that with CB radios in general, and especially with handheld CB radios, it's all about the antenna. If you're trying to use this radio inside a car with the antenna inside the vehicle, you're not going to get any real range at all. If you use it inside a vehicle, you need to get an external antenna. If you use it for handheld use, you need to get an aftermarket antenna like this one. They're cheap, they're on Amazon. So we're on channel 19 right now. I don't know if the band is working or not. Also, the display is not actually, if it's like flashing or moving around, it's just because of the refresh rate on the camera, it's not actually doing that. I'm going to find a clear channel here. Alright, so you got your standard volume squelch. It's got a battery saver function, so when there's no audio coming out of the speaker, it turns the display off, just to save batteries. You've got a speaker mic connector here, an external power or charge if you're using rechargeable batteries. So you can run it off of, it does come with a cigarette plug adapter, but this is your standard connection there, center positive. A high-low power switch. Mic is there. Channel is, buttons are up and down right here, and push to talk, volume off and on, squelch, and that is it. Let's see what we got. Sideband activity.
We fired Cobra 2000.
Hello, channel 14. Can I get a radio check on 14? Can I get a radio check on 14, please? Probably nothing. Hello, channel 33. Hello, channel 33. Can I get a radio check on this Walkie Talkie? Radio check on the Walkie Talkie. Unit 704 in Richmond, Virginia. Nope. Let's try this.
Yes, they are. Well, I get try to take care of it, I kill it.
Breaker 19 for radio check. Breaker 19 for radio check, please. Hello, hello.
Yeah, you working, driver. You working loud and clear.
Thank you, driver. Whereabouts are you at?
I'm on 95, southbound, right about mile marker 75.
So he's like a mile, maybe less than a mile away from me. Sounds good, driver. Appreciate the radio check. You have a good one. Stay safe. That's good. It's working. That's on low power. Let's cut the video for now.